Alright guys, I just attempted to install my push to start. Here is the module. I removed this harness from the car's harness. This is temporary, obviously. Here we have my proximity key fob that I have to put next to this ring. Now it's on. Here we go. Awesome. Now I'm just trying to get it to work in accessory mode. Usually one push, you should have accessory for your radio, AC units and other electrical components. And then on the second push it should start. Right now, reading the manual, the system's in service mode if you were to take it to the dealership for, in a sense, valid mode. But it's just a matter of turning on, turning off in sequence, and it should work fine. Let's do this again. Okay, that's the safety because there's no proximity. Now let's put the proximity key. And now I should be able to start it. Awesome again.